bike. Sleigh. I'm on a train. I know. And fell out there. Videos that long for some reason, so a tablet doesn't allow it. I think it's about like 5 minutes something. If it cuts off randomly, that's why. Okay, park here. We park here. Ow! We park here. It's not really parking over there. Wait, on this willow tree, I can like hang on it. Wait, let me turn it around. Can you see it? No! Okay, that's good. Now, one for a good look. Oh my god. Molehill. Murder. And the dance floor. Around like hell. I want to be Australian, so I'm barefoot. Ow. She was a fairy. This is quite comfy. Ignore the noise in the background. I love outdoors videos. They're just so fun to make. But it's longer term videos, so it probably get less views. By less, I mean about 2. Bro, this tree has been murdered. Lucozade. Ow. Should have worn my shoes. Bro. Is that a surfboard? Poop. I'm even biking barefoot. But bluebells that are purple. Bird feeder. Woo! Flowers. No, 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 no. Kitty. Hi, kitty. This garden is just wow. Bring, bring, bring. Tree. Nettles. I need to climb up this tree. Did it. How am I gonna get down? Made it alive. I think I'm gonna end the video here. Bye.